everyone, my name is Leashin Asram and I'm a journalist from EIT. Today I'm joined by
Freeman Mhlanga, a lecturer at EIT as well.
Can you provide an overview of electrical engineering safety and its significance in the engineering field?
Basically, electrical safety hasn't been a discipline that has been isolated. It has been a discipline that is applied to a broad spectrum of engineering disciplines, be it other than electrical engineering. It applicable to civil engineering, structural engineering, electronic engineering, IT, and all those disciplines. Why? Because electrical safety is paramount in actually avoiding or preventing injuries due to electrical accidents, fatalities due to electrical accidents. So it applies to every engineering discipline. We need to make our workplace safe. We need to have a good, safe working environment.
Yes.
Right? We avoid fatalities. We avoid injuries by actually conscientizing everyone in the workplace issues with electrical safety. That they have to know what lack of electrical safety can lead to. You know, they say that people work with, or the human mind works best when when it perceives risk, right? So when we perceive risk that comes from being complacent with respect to electrical safety or electrical issues, then you then have to act in a more responsible way to avoid unintended consequences that come with not observing electrical safety issues.
Okay.
Yes.
So out of all the topics to present, and I mean you've touched on this now, but why specifically electrical safety?
Right. So you find that one of the main objective of manufacturing processes, mining operations, is reducing accidents, right? Ensuring that we have a zero accident environment or accident-free environment. And one of the major accidents that do happen are caused by electrical issues, or electrical fatality, or electrical safety issues being overlooked. So you find that wherever, let's say you go to a copper mine or to a lithium mine, one of the first things that they do teach you on or train you on is safety. So companies have invested quite a lot of money into actually ensuring that the workplace is safe. So in light of that, I feel that talking about electrical safety is quite important, and also that we have a mixed bag of professions that have been invited to this seminar.
Yes.
Right. I've been advised that electrical engineers have been invited, IT guys have been invited, civil engineers, structural engineers, and so forth. So for us not to just isolate a group, right, or just address a certain group of people, I feel that, well, let's talk about something that that affects all of them.
Yeah.
You know, because in civil engineering, some person might think that electrical safety might not be important, but they are going to encounter electrical systems. Yeah, so they need to know how to operate those or how to work with those safely. Yeah. So it is important. It's one of the major reasons why electrical safety was one of the topics that is the topic that I've chosen to actually present on. Okay. Yeah.
So as an expert in the electrical safety field, what advice do you have for students or professionals interested in pursuing a career in this field?
It's you said the value that comes with studying with EIT, but if I have to speak to a prospective student, that the value that they get from studying with EIT is immense. Right? EIT is an internationally recognized institution. Countries that I've traveled, right? I previously said that I was in Dera, Congo, the mine in deep, close to the Rwandan border there with Congo. There, I met students, right? I met artisans that studied at EIT, And the nice things to say about EIT, you know, it opened doors for them.
Yeah.
So it, for someone who's pursuing a career in whatever engineering discipline that they are focused on, it's very rewarding to start with EIT.
Yeah.
Because it gives a broad, it opens up doors for them. And also, employers as well do also prefer students who have studied with EIT. Because they know that our students have been instructed or have been lectured by engineers who are work in the field every day. Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for taking time out today to do this interview with me.
You're welcome,
Thank you
Leah.
everyone for watching, and follow us for more engineering content.